Hey y'all, so today I have a lash class and I wanted to bring you guys along. So for Lash Life, we have a 2-day training class. The first day, the students learn everything they need to know at the comfort of their own space. And then they come in the second day and they learn all of the physical stuff. So we practice on skins, we practice on mannequin, and we also do a live model training. We just show them different techniques to use to do lash extensions. And not only are they learning how to do classic lashes, they learn how to apply hybrid lashes as well, just to make the sets a little fuller. So here you will see Joy isolating and just practicing a little bit more. And then we added yellow tape because Joy wears glasses and I wanted it for her so she'll really be able to see. And this is also another student named Tori. She did amazing. And she is also doing her live model at this point. And I just stand by, I shadow this, and I'm just there for them if they need me. But normally by the time they are on live model, they already know what to do because they have been training for 2 days. So they know. So after the lash course, I congratulate them and give them their certification upon completion. And that's all. Bye.